Oh, you got a new bedside clock? That's nice.
Yeah, just set it up.
That's awesome. So it's got a stand for your phone?
That's a wireless charger. It stands
What?
there and
Oh,
it
no shit.
charges.
It's got the
Yeah.
emblem on it?
Yep.
Bam, just like that. So what's this spot for? Like just storing your necklaces and
No,
stuff?
that's another charger.
What?
See?
That is crazy. It's still charging. Oh, it shows right there what's charging. So
Yep.
your AirPods charge up there?
Yes, AirPods, and then your watch, and it shows you everything down there at the
That
bottom.
is freaking awesome.
It has extra plugs in the back too.
No shit.
Yeah.
That's cool. Why does this look like that on the bottom?
That's a
that looks
light.
weird. What?
Yes.
And it's touch light?
Yes.
That's crazy. So you got a little night light too, along with the clock. Oh, and it's made by Acer. That brand is a good brand. Where did you get that from?
I got it off TikTok.
Link below. That thing is awesome.